Welcome back. Me and my baby again. I don't know why she's trying to hide herself. I cannot. Anyways, hey y'all. Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are headed to the Coach Outlet again. This is day 2 of the drop. We are at the Coach Outlet in Grapevine. Actually, we're at the Grapevine Mills Mall, and we're at the Coach Outlet that's in the Grapevine Mills Mall. We're about to go see what they have in store from the Coach drop. Super excited. Y'all know I gotta hit my rounds. I started to go to the Fort Worth location today, but time got away with me and I couldn't get out there to the Fort Worth location, so we decided to come to the Grapevine, which is a lot closer than the Fort Worth location. But catch me in the Fort Worth location really soon, okay? But anyways, let's go up in here and see what they have available. All right, friends, we are here. I am super excited. First thing first I saw was this Denim rowin. The mini rowin. No, they don't have the mediums or large, but y'all, this mini one though, 179. Y'all can't believe it because it was just 159. Then they still have the black ones as far as the mini rowins, the cutesy purple ones, which is the jasmine color, and then the rainbow color. I'm waiting for this one to go on sale. I want like a deep sale, okay? Then they have the medium size. These are all the medium. I like how they did that with the scarf. Then you have the large sizes, 229 at the Grapevine location. Those are the only larges that I saw. Then these right here, black and gold and black and silver. I'm thinking about adding this black and silver to my collection. I saw another lady recently and she went in for the embossed C's and ended up purchasing this one. And I thought it was so cute because I do want a black and silver bag, but I'm not exactly sure whether or not which one I want. Okay, so they have the Carmen's going for 159. Of course, you got the print, newspaper print, and that is a Terry Hobo. Terry Hobos, they only have it in black and gold. Now, if there was black and silver, that would be in competition with me with the Rowan, okay? Now, they have the Rowan buckets here, stone color. I think these are like slowly dwindling down. We have the cutesy Jamie with the denim black print. So cute. My daughter said she didn't like it, but I really do like it. Yeah, I just saw these yesterday and I feel like these newspaper bags are growing on me. I don't know if it's because what I had on today, but when I say this, not the Ashton, this one right here, what is this bag called? The Asher? I don't know, I forgot. But when I say this bag right here, OMG, was too cute on my arm. Like, I seriously considered getting the bag that's on my arm. And like I said, I don't know if it was because what I had on today, but it just ate down with what I had on today. It just gave me some type of investor gadget. I'm in New York City. Like, catch me on the train, headed to Coach. Like, that's what it gave. That this is the bag of the day. I'm wearing my 22 Plaza in my outfit of the day. Of course, looking cute. Then you have these denim wallets. And I did see a wallet that I had been looking for. I did not pick it up because I saw another one that I wanted really. These are going for $69. But it was the black one with the embossed. They did not have this on the drop time. Like when I was doing the drop for the January 7th, they must have gotten these in like later on because they didn't have any of those when I was actually in store. I actually probably would have got it that time. Okay, you guys, we saw this one yesterday. Super cute. If this is your first video that you're watching of the drop, I did go to a drop yesterday at the Grand Prairie location in Texas, and now I'm at the Grapevine location in Texas. But yeah, this bag is super cute. I like how they matched the wallet with it. I was trying to open the wallet, sorry y'all. But I love how they matched this wallet with it. Super cute. I feel like the way this bag is, how deep it is when you open it up, that wallet is perfect for it, and you'll still have a lot of space in the bag. Moving right along to the wristlets. These are the large wristlets that's going for $45. You have the denim collection. You have the newspaper, which is super cute. I just love this newspaper. It's just giving all the vibes. All right, you guys, you have the double wristlets down here. They don't have the denim red that I saw yesterday at the Grand Prairie location, just the regular ones. And then you have these card cases. I did not see this yesterday, but I did see it online last night. Thought it was super cute. This card holder actually matches the Evelyn bags, and they're so cute. Now, I did see the Evelyn bags, y'all, but I just thought about it. I dropped the ball and forgot to record it. It's like I was like, oh, I'm going to go over there, and then I forgot to go in the area. But then you have these card holders here, which I didn't see yesterday in Grand Prairie neither, but it's the red and the blue one. Now, that blue one, denim one, they did have that one because I was going to get it. But this one here, I didn't see this one yesterday. But they have this one in this red, and they also have the color black. Still super cute, and I highly recommend because I actually love any card case, any wallet that gives you this ID window. I just love that. Like I can just swipe it out, not have to pull out my card. I can just show you my face. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. And then I showed you guys this yesterday as well. This is a good wallet. I actually want this one in my collection for real, for real. Okay. Don't have it just yet, but I do want it in my collection. Spoiler alert, I did not pick up this neither. Yeah, they're going for $69. Yeah, I said that yesterday. Yeah, they're going for $69. Here you go, the smaller denim wristlets, the black denim going for $35. Great price. They have the red denim, but not red denim, the red one, blue denim. I think that's a true red. I'm not exactly sure what that color is. I think it's true red though. But these are all the other wristlets that they have. They did not have the embroidery. It's sold out online, and then I don't see it in this location, but they did have it at the Grand Prairie location yesterday. You have this cutesy Maggie tote that I did not see on the drop day for the Maggies. Now, this is the small Maggie tote. I believe a lot of stores ended up getting these in after the drop because they did not have these in store. And I actually probably would have considered, I love the small one because it comes with a zipper on the top versus the large one. As you can see here, it's going for $279. Now the large ones, don't get me wrong, they are super cute. If I still work in corporate world where I was going to an office, this just might be that bag, okay? The black one or the purple one. This is a that girl bag, okay? But it is an open bag, and I just, But anyways, look how they did this here. I had to take a picture of this because when I say that was too cute. And then, of course, we have the large Faye bags, which I think is adorable. I already love the regular Faye bags, and then they came out with that large one. But yeah, I thought the small one was cute. I didn't see the small one yesterday neither. And then I actually drawstring this one, and I was like, dang, she cute. This mini Faye, I did not call her Auntie Faye yesterday. When I drawed it in, it was just so cute versus how it's displayed. And then last but not least, we have the Laurel here. This Laurel, I did not see yesterday, but I do know that they did have it because that was one of the options that they showed me the week before the drop. I don't know. It's just, I think I like the leather Laurels better than the black denim one, but it is still a cutesy bag. My daughter, she really likes the stone color. She kept on picking up the stone bags. So I believe she liked the bags that have the stone color. And then she fell in love with this Laurel, the mini ones. And then she also fell in love with some Terrys as well. But she liked the regular size Terrys versus the mini Terrys, but she loved the mini Laurel bag. So yeah, and then of course you got the sandals over here, and then I did go by the shoe section and saw the sneakers that they had at this location. Thought these were super cute. You guys, I got a little something. This is the last something I'll be spending for the next 2 to 3 months. I ain't lying. She told me no, it's not. Yes, I am telling the truth. But I had to get this. Because I haven't seen it, and I was like, yeah. So I can't wait to show you guys what I have. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the Coach walkthrough, definitely put some hearts in the comment section if you made it to this part of the video. No.
Black owned business, come get your glasses in that top nine. Grapevine Mills. God bless you.
Grapevine Mills, that's where we at. The name of the company is Envision or whatever it is. That's who they are.
At least please like and subscribe and comment.
Like, subscribe, and comment. Period. And we already at the end of the video. That was a good one. I might end it right there. But anyways, y'all, definitely put some hearts in the comment section. It doesn't matter. It can be any color heart because it's all love over here, sis. It's all love over here, bro. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell so you know more videos like this is posted. Like this video so YouTube will know that you like videos like this one, and they'll send more people like you my way. Also, go ahead and swipe to the left and hype this video up if you like videos like this. And again, y'all know I love y'all down. I want to see more people like you on my channel. So definitely hype this video up so more people like you can visit my channel and get in the know with Coach, okay? Because we out here in these streets at Coach, though. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.